the money, for me, baby, never treat you funny,
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm pretty sure from the title of this video you guys can already tell, I will be installing a wig that I just got from RPGSHOW. Per usual, I do like to show you guys everything that comes with the wig. If I can just get this open. So I have a thank you card. You get a thank you card, and these are all the details in the back on your wig. My wig, and then they also send you a melt band. You get a wax stick. They also send you some stocking caps. So here's another card with all the specifics of your wig. So this right here has like the name, the length, the texture, and all of that you get on this little card right here. And lastly, they also provide you with some tape and a wig bag. This color is amazing. Look at that, you guys. So gorgeous. Now this is what your lace looks like straight out of the package. As you guys can see, the hairline does come pre-plucked. On the inside of your wig, it does come with some combs and an elastic band. And in the back there, we have an elastic drawstring. I personally prefer this type of drawstring compared to the other one where we had to clip it. I feel like this one does give you a lot more security, and it fits your head way more snug as long as you tighten it. And also, if ever your lace is lifting, I feel like once you tighten these ones, it just lays way more flat compared to the other one where you would actually have to use spray to lay down your lace. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out the box, and I feel like I do need to switch a different color. My robe and the hair is very similar, so I'm gonna go change really quickly and be right back. This is what my lace is looking like up close. This is the new trendy Glueless Max Lace Closure Wig. The lace does come tinted already. It's a 10x6 transparent Swiss lace. It does come pre-plucked. The hairline is pre-bleached and the knots are invisible, and it just gives like real scalp. As you guys can see, it looks so natural. Also, you get a super deep part-in space, and you can part this wig on any which way, any side of your face. Also, another thing that I do want to point out, you know, usually most wigs you have to go in and cut around the ear tab. With this one, with this unit, as you guys can see, the wig already comes matching your ear shape, so you do not need to go in and cut around it, just the lace in the front. And 9 times out of 10 you cannot see back there, so it's a struggle trying to get that lace cut perfectly without even cutting the hair. So I really like this new update that they have on their wigs. Alright, you guys, now this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. It already comes colored for you. When ordering this wig, this is the exact same color that you will be receiving. Whatever you order on your website, what picture you see, that is the exact same wig that you will be receiving. The way that this wig is fitting right now is super snug on my head, so I do want to cut off the lace just to see how glueless I can wear it, because I do believe it is a glueless cap that they use. So I'm just going to go in first and cut off all this lace. The hair color on this wig, it's a honey blonde unit with caramel highlights. It's called Ashley 014. The hairline that I got is a 20-inch, and the cap construction is a 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig. It's 180 density. Now moving on to styling this hair, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just gonna flatten down this hair, try to get the top as flat as I can get it. As you guys can see, it does look a little bulky on the top there, so I want to try to just flatten it down as much as I can. And to do so, you definitely need a hot comb. The lace on this unit, you guys, is so natural, and it just like melts right into your skin. Now, if this was a regular wig and I was doing this with my hands and my wig was not laid down with like any adhesive, the lace in the front there would be lifting. It's not lifting at all. It's not budging. I'm going to use my hot comb and we're going to hot iron it back. And look at that. It's just stuck to my skin. This is a complete glueless unit, you guys. The only piece that you might probably need to lay down or just add some sort of spray or whatever is like this little air tap right here. That's the only piece that I'm seeing that's lifting. But 9 times out of 10, I could just take the hair and basically cover it like that, and voila. You can't even tell that my wig is not laid down. Like, that just looks so natural. Wow. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a white teeth comb and I'm just gonna comb out these curls. right now. So I'm just gonna go back in and curl back up this hair myself. And I am using a big barrel curling iron to do so. So I got this on Amazon. I do believe it's linked in my Amazon store, but if it's not, I will put it back there once I'm done this. I do want my curls to flow the opposite way, so I'm starting from under and away from my face. I do have some hairspray, especially for like the prisons. And now I'm gonna go back in with my comb and I'm just gonna comb these out. Here I'm just going back in with my iron and curling up that side of the hair just for a tighter curl. And after that, I pretty much just combed it back out. And I must say, the curls on this wig last. Like, this wig can definitely hold the curl. Your curl will last you all week long as you add some hairspray to it. But yeah, one thing I must put out there is your curl will definitely last you. And the hair is just like so soft and nice. For me, when it comes to like blonde hair that's been like bleached, usually the hair feels rough. It just has like a hard touch to it. This hair, the hair wasn't hard or crunchy I meant crunchy at all. Like, it was super easy to run my hands through and the hair felt really soft and silky. I also decided was to do like a little flip over kind of look here. This is what you guys are seeing right now. And I think it turned out really cute. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to wear it just in the middle. But like I said, you can wear this hair on whatever side of your face, whether it's the right or left. You could do a center part, middle part, whatever part you want, because you do get a really deep part in space with this wig. And yeah, quality wise, their quality is always top notch. I have worked with this company so many times before, you guys, and when it comes to quality of the hair, it's definitely giving luxury. It always gives that. So you don't have to worry about your hair is trashing tomorrow. They have some really bomb quality hair wigs. This is pretty much what the hair is looking like now, and I'm finished with styling her. I think she is gorgeous. I'm loving the color on myself, and the wig is completely glueless, you guys. Like, it's not being held down with anything. I can lift it up, put it right back down, and just look at it. I have not done a color like this on myself in a while, so I'm really feeling this. I feel like overall it does give my face like a really mature look, and so far the hair is super soft. And they did obviously bleach this hair to achieve this color. There's no chemical smell, and the hair is super soft. Like, it does not feel like the hair is fried or roasted at all. The hair is absolutely beautiful and it's super soft. The only thing that I must say, I wish the ends were a little fuller. I feel like it's a little thin at the ends. Mind you, this is a 180 density, so I feel like had this wig been a 200 density, it would have been like perfect. I just wish the ends were a tad bit fuller is all I would say. But other than that, this hair is beautiful. Like, the color, I'm so loving. Like, y'all, do you guys see the color on this hair? It goes from like a dark brown into like the ombre blonde and then like a ash blonde color. I love it. Like, the color is amazing. So yeah, this is pretty much the wig from RPG Show. Comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think about the color? How are we feeling the color on me? I'll have all the details on this wig listed down below for you guys. That way you can check the description box for all that information. Also, if I do have a discount code, I will leave that listed down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.